Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to share with you this adapter here that you can see. This is a quick release. I have this Phantom 4 Pro Plus controller with a screen, as you can see right here, and I try to find a way to be able to connect the strap. I have a strap for the neck to connect it in a quick way, instead hook it up each time. So I just searched a little on eBay, a link on the description below for these parts. Short intro and I'm back. As I say before, this is adapter to quick release the strap belt once connect the controller. So this is made of a small part like a GoPro adapter here. Also link on the description below where you can order this one, and then this piece I ordered and I got it yesterday, and this piece come without this here, so you have to find a belt, a strap neck that you can connect it, or something that you have a screw on that you can connect it like this. And once you connect it like this, you hold with 2 fingers here, you put it on, and here you have a small hatch that you can just flip up and push it in, and once it's in, it's connected and there is no way it's gonna fall. To release, 2 fingers on a small hatch here, release it, and there you go. It's all made of metal, look like very sturdy. Again, push it in, attach it, and then it's going to be held. And this part here, if you take this off, it's come with a screw, so it look like this once you buy it. And you can take off also this one, but I find a way. It's one ring, one GoPro adapter here, screw it all the way in. It's strong, put it in a little, 2 fingers, and it's not going to fall. Just how to share with you my new controller for Phantom 4 Pro Plus adapter. You can use it, I guess, in any drone that you have that have this hook here. If you have the Pro Plus with the screen, you have to make sure that once you close the screen, you push it to the back, so like this, and then close the screen, because you know what's happened if you close the screen like this. You don't want that. Push it back, close the screen, open it, take it in front. Very simple, 2-3 seconds, and you have the controller strapped to your neck. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. As always, stay creative, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.